Huh? Hey guys, want to see something cute? Come with me! Check this out! All my lovebirds in this cage are in love! Isn't that just amazing? Aww. Did you know that once a lovebird has found his or her mate, they stay together for life? They're very affectionate and loving creatures. But we have one big problem here. You see, while I was eating my breakfast this morning, I spotted something unexpected. I can't believe this. Are those eggs on the food tray? I went outside to take a closer look. Yup, one of these lovebirds are laying eggs on the food tray. But why? That's really weird, so I went inside the cage to investigate. Occupied. I found that all the nest boxes were occupied. This means only one thing. Yup, we have a nesty situation. In short, my feathered friends are in desperate need of more nest boxes, so it's time to get creative. Now I could go for the plain old boring nest boxes again, but where's the fun in that? I want nest boxes that are fully decorated and customized. So let's gather our materials. We need some wood, and tools to cut and build. First things first, let's give these lovebirds some options. Variety is the spice of life. We're talking about different themes of nest boxes. I'm making one that's a beach theme, and maybe one that looks like a camper van. I'm gonna make 2 surfboards and an anchor. We have 4 unique nest boxes in here and ready to be decorated. And look at this one. It's made of our old coffee pot, which is perfect because there's a hole in the center for the birds to enter. Okay, let's put this back in here because we're gonna start by painting everything white. After the white paint dries, it's time to get the nest boxes prepped up for their new look. I'm painting this first nest box blue because this is going to be a beach theme. While my beach nest box dries, I'm going to start working on my camper van theme nest box. It's going to be pink and yellow. Now back to my beach house. I'm adding simple waves. Here's a lifesaver. And wooden sticks to decorate the rooftop. I'm using wood glue to stick it. Then popsicle sticks for more details. Some sticks entwined to create a fence. This will keep the beach house safe from any uninvited guests.
You know what they say, home is where the anchor drops. It's almost finished. Just 2 coatings of Mod Podge to help prevent water damage when it rains. this beach house is ready. Time to bring out our surfboards.
While waiting for my beach house to dry, I'll start adding details to my camper van. I'm painting a door with a honeycomb design. Of course, don't forget those cute little honeybees. Now I'm finishing this off with some popsicle sticks as the window frame. And a bottle cap as the wheel. Our second nest box is done! One lucky bird is gonna be a queen bee in this cutest little beehive. We have 2 more nest boxes to decorate. I decided to make another beach theme, just because I have a really fun beach house idea. One that involves flip-flops. This is a simple house-shaped nest box, but it's the most complicated one to make because I will be using a lot of different materials like popsicle sticks and dried leaves. I'm also using real sand and plastic coconut tree. Now I'm making the cutest wooden flip-flop. Now let's assemble all the little things. And it's done! This took the longest to make, but it's definitely my most favorite. The flip-flops are so cute and the fake plants give it a homey vacation vibe, which I love. This last one is going to be the easiest to make because all it needs is paint. I'm giving this one a vibrant, whimsical design. And this is done, easy peasy.
This is the 3rd day and I'm ready to install our DIY nest boxes. Let's go!
Voila! Just look at this! Feast your eyes on this colorful bird sanctuary. I think it's safe to say that our DIY nest boxes are a hit. Who knew that interior decorating could be so fetterific? My plan is to slowly replace these ugly old nest boxes into new ones. Thanks for joining me, guys. Until next time, keep chirping, my friends!